Hello from Ranchi, the capital of Jharkhand. This is 3D, the Development Design Digest, where we speak with leading thinkers and doers working in rural development. And we don't get much more rural than the state of Jharkhand, although Ranchi is quite the thriving metropolis. Nonetheless, we are here to talk about rural development, and I am joined by none other than Mr. Ajay Nath Jha, who is the IAS Tribal Welfare Commissioner for the state. Mr. Jha, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
I have to say that when I've told people I'm coming to Ranchi, I'm often met with blank stares. Everybody knows where it is. They know it was once part of Bihar, but very much now part of Jharkhand on its own since 2000, one of India's newer states. And they know that it has a rich tribal heritage, and few people have ever been. I feel that Jharkhand is one of India's best kept secrets, and I feel that it has so much going for it. When I come here, I'm struck by the lush green all around me. And that rich tribal heritage is there. It feels like a state on the up. We know that India is moving forward. Tell me, Mr. Ajay, is Jharkhand going to be part of that growth story?
Yes, of course. Well, we know India is basically a rural India. Most of the people resides in rural area. More than 65% population, 70% population from rural. बहुत बड़ी कहावत रहती है भारत में कि ये गाँवों का देश है. And the moment what you said कि greenery, and झारखंड एक ऐसा राज्य है वन ऑफ इंडिया का जहाँ पूरे साल होल ईयर दिस ग्रीनरी यू कैन सी दिस ग्रीनरी the beautiful landscapes and everything, you will enjoy it. And the people of Jharkhand, there are 32 tribes. There are 32 tribes. Among them, 8 is PVTG, very vulnerable tribes.
Yes.
They reside in Jharkhand. Their population is nearly 1 crore. Out of 3.25 crore, their 1 crore population is tribal population. So it's a big impact. So tribal population. Tribal, you will not see the tribal. The one area is Chota Nagpur. Then second area, the big pocket is Kolhan. And third, the biggest part is Santhal Pargana. And different tribes lives here. तो इनके अपनी इनके कल्चरल हेरिटेज हैं, बहुत रिच कल्चरल हेरिटेज हैं, और इनके साथ इनका डेवलपमेंट बहुत ज़रूरी है. अगर भारत डेवलप कर रहा है, अगर हम ये मानते हैं कि वी बिलीव कि इंडिया डेवलप कर रहा है, तो निश्चित रूप से कहीं ना कहीं ट्राइब्स और रूरल इंडिया का भी डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है. बट क्वेश्चन ये होता है, एज अ लीडर, not political leader, as I'm leading my organization, as a leader,
a doer,
as I feel कि उनके जो aspirations हैं, क्या real उनके aspirations को हम पूरा कर पा रहे हैं? क्या that is well communicated to us? This is to a process is established from our side and from them. उनका एक कम्युनिकेशन हमारे पास हो रहा है. द कम्युनिकेशन इज़ वेल एस्टैब्लिश्ड और नॉट. सो दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि अगर हम डेवलप कर रहे हैं, वी थिंक कि वी आर क्रिएटिंग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर्स थ्रू रोड्स, इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन एंड अदर डिजिटल थिंग्स. वेल दिस विल इम्पैक्ट, एंड इसका इम्पैक्ट हो भी रहा है. बट क्या यही ज़रूरत है? वहाँ एक विलेज में, एक पर्टिकुलर विलेज के इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डिमांड डिफरेंट होंगे दूसरे विलेज से.
Right. So how do you, taking the fact that there's so many different aspirations, how do you meet that challenge? How do you implement what can be very distinct infra needs here versus what might be gender building capacities over here? How do you balance that?
No, my way of administration is I just go there. I just go visit there and I just realize the things first hand. उनके बीच जाता हूँ, उनसे ही उनके बीच बैठता हूँ, and the communication for establishing a effective communication, they should feel कि ये हमारे लिए आए हैं, he is here for हमारे डेवलपमेंट के लिए, हमारे लिए सोच रहे हैं कुछ. हम उनके पास बैठ के उनके ही खटिया पर, उनका जो तरीका है उन पे बैठ के उनसे पूछते हैं कि क्या कैन आई हैव अ कप ऑफ टी फ्रॉम योर साइड. देन वो उनको लगता है कि नहीं, ये बहुत बड़ी बात है कि हमको इनके लिए चाय देनी है. इट्स नॉट अ मैटर ऑफ टी.
Chai diplomacy.
Yes, chai diplomacy. It's a matter of if you are demanding a cup of a glass of water. It's a very huge impact. You are having a water, Bisleri water and other bottled water. No, just ask them for a water. It will feel a connection, and then start what you need here. What is the source of drinking water? How electrification will impact you? How which connectivity you need most? अदरवाइज क्या है कि जैसे हमने अगर इसकी स्कीम बनाई, स्कूल बनाने हैं, गोदाम बनाने हैं, कुछ बनाने हैं, एक कम्युनिटी सेंटर बनाना है, तो वेंडर्स आ जाएंगे बीच में. यहाँ बन जाना बहुत अच्छा रहेगा, यहाँ हो जाएगा तो बहुत अच्छा होगा, दिस लैंड इज़ वेरी परफेक्ट. बट ये उनके रूरल पीपल के काम का होगा ही. अगर ऐसी चीज़ें हैं तो हम लोगों को ये सोचना होगा कि हम क्या करें कि उनके फ़ायदे का हो, उनको सीधा इम्पैक्ट करें, कि उनके साथ इम्पैक्ट हो. और ये होगा नॉट फ्रॉम एज अ लीडर माई कम्युनिकेशन. मेरे जो रूरल लेवल पर जो मेरे ऑफिसर्स हैं, वो अगर उनसे कम्युनिकेशन इस्टेब्लिश कर पाते हैं, देन आई विल गेट द रियल इन्फॉर्मेशन कि क्या चाहिए.
So that's interesting that you say that, because it's, you know, what you're saying, first of all, it's a very design-led approach, isn't it? To be thinking of the community first. Go to the stakeholder first. Go
Yes.
to the customer, the client, whatever you want to call them. Go to them first, find out what they need. And that's wonderful to hear and admirable. How much does that trickle down, though, to all the people that work throughout the government levels, throughout the state levels, district, going down to the panchayat levels? Does everybody have the chai diplomacy that you espouse?
No. That is why I said it's my way of administration. When I go there, I do these kind of things, and it's my way of things. But if you will go and ask your junior, what's the problem there? What is the problem? They will say they will just go and they will also realize the things, but they will express you their own way. वो अपने तरीके से बताएंगे क्या ज़रूरत है. ये you have to now it's a era of direct democracy. Direct democracy means representative is very important. But now through Twitter and social media, you get the information from below. They can direct message to Tribal Welfare Commissioner, to direct Chief Minister and Prime Minister also. They can message. So it's very important to keep an eye on the community level.
Okay.
Just it's very effective. If you are connected to community directly, then you will get the real picture of community.
But it does require building up the capacities of all those people who work
Yes.
in the
Community
communities.
monitoring process, and also volunteers, self-help groups,
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
INCO,
Yeah.
and especially gender, female.
So I want to talk about that, but before I go to the sort of community level action that's happening, let's talk about what's happening at the center. Jharkhand gets quite a bit of funding from Article 275. There's also the Special Assistance Tribal Plan that also allows for distribution. Does that money get utilized in the way that it should? First of all, do you think you're given enough of the pie, Jharkhand? And second of all, does it get utilized?
मैं आपको बताता हूँ इसमें. Center Article 275 is a constitutional binding. Central government gives states for tribal development, and special central assistance is a scheme of central government. They give also there it's 100% funding, but that is a scheme, and this grant is grant. Okay, we get money from central government, and what I said, if I am preparing a plan, the from below, if ITDA at district level, at village level, if they plan at that level, and that will go to center, and we get the money, it will be executed properly. If I make a plan at tribal welfare commissioner office or in the department, then it will properly use नहीं हो पाएगा.
And does that, okay, so now let's
So-
come to the communities then. You're saying it works when the communities are involved.
Yes.
Okay, so now how involved are the communities? There's all sorts of initiatives and schemes from cooperatives to self-help groups and the panchayats themselves. Are they actually doing the job of governance? Is it happening that tribal people are being represented, or is there still a bit of mismatch?
Not exactly mismatch, but it's a process. You will not achieve the goal in a day, but the process has begun. It all started. Now self-help group is functioning. Panchayat level officers are doing well. Panchayat level functionaries they are going to people, they are doing well. Through FRA, Forest Right Act, we are our people, they go to village in the forest dwellers, and they communicate them. But this is very ideal position. But still we have to go far. Still we have to achieve a lot.
Okay.
That's it. Yeah.
Okay. All right. What could we change to make sure that that happened more efficiently, that the funds were utilized fully, and that the communities were more involved? What do you, if you could be king for a day, ruler of the universe, what would you do to make that happen?
So I will prepare the plan from below and execute it through our people, through the process led by the government, and effective monitoring, social audit. Through social audit, we can achieve this.
Okay.
So, tribal population is very innocent. They will not audit themselves कि क्या हो रहा है ये. लेकिन अगर आप लोगों को लगाएंगे उसमें, जो committed लोग हैं, the people like you, they will go and see what's happening there. Then you will think ये. But रातों रात नहीं होगा. It will not come in a day. अचीव होगा. मेरा मानना है कि द प्रोसेस हैज़ बिगन ऑलरेडी. झारखंड में एक अच्छी शुरुआत हो रही है, अच्छा काम हो रहा है. आगे ये नहीं मिलेगा. पहले जो काम हुआ है मैं उसके बारे में चर्चा नहीं कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन आज की तारीख में हम उनके पास जा रहे हैं, उनसे प्लान तैयार कर रहे हैं और उसको लेकर पब्लिक गवर्नमेंट के पास जा रहे हैं.
You said there's over 24 tribes that you're considering. They all have different customs, and many have their own way of governing as well. How do you loop that in? How do you ignite those native instincts that they would already have innate to their culture, their people, and get them to be in conjunction with what's happening on the central trickle down to state and panchayat level? How do you marry those two?
What I feel, the old tradition and the festival. The festival in the past, you will see that the festival, Mela, ये Jatra Mela and all the, they are very effective too for cultural binding. अभी हमने यहाँ किया था एक आदिवासी महोत्सव, पिछले 3 साल से हम कर रहे हैं. This is आदिवासी महोत्सव, नेशनल लेवल.
Right.
उसमें सारे ट्राइब्स हैं हमारे, जो 32 ट्राइब्स हैं, उनके पूरे कल्चर को, उसको सबके नेशनल लेवल पर जो ट्राइबल कल्चर है उन सबको भी दिखाया. एंड इंटरनेशनल आल्सो देयर व्हाट चेंजेस इन द देयर, जो उनका रहन सहन है, जो उनका कल्चर है, उसमें कितना परिवर्तन आ गया है पिछले 50 सालों में, 70 सालों में, वो भी दिखाया है. इन सब चीज़ों को एक साथ किया जो उनके, ताकि उनका विज़न बड़ा हो. वो यहाँ आकर देखें, उनका विज़न बड़ा हो. वो अपने गांव में रह रहे हैं तो अपने गांव से बाहर निकल ही नहीं रहे हैं. उनको नहीं पता चल रहा है देश दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है. इसलिए ये एक फेस्टिवल बहुत ज़रूरी था. इसमें इनके आने से एक बड़ा चेंज आया है, इनके दिमाग में इनका विज़न बड़ा हुआ, इनको लगा कि अच्छा हो सकता है, ये सब भी हो सकता है। एंड हमारे जो लीडरशिप है उसको एक नेशनल लेवल पर एक लीडरशिप इस्टेब्लिश करने का मौका मिला कि आदिवासी महोत्सव से हमारे जो चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं उनकी पहचान पूरे देश में बने।
A couple more questions because I know you're pressed for time, but I really want to ask you 3 questions if I can squeeze them in. Let's first, you mentioned gender. What more can be done to try and get tribal women in Jharkhand or anywhere in India into the fold?
देखिए, हमारे यहाँ क्या है इस देश में कि बेटी जैसे जन्म लेती है ना बाय बर्थ, हम लोग उसको नेग्लेक्ट करते रहे हैं, लेकिन अब वो चीज़ें बदल गई। वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट की बात आती है, लोग कहते हैं वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट की बात है, बट आई फील कि वुमेन इज़ एम्पावर्ड। मैंने एक स्पेशल मूवमेंट चलाया था, दैट वाज बधाई हो बेटी हुई है, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस यू हैव अ डॉटर।
Is it working?
Yes. Or even every name plate I have changed in the city. First name is the wife's name.
Interesting. Would you say
In
that's
my house, when you come, you will see the first name, my wife's name. That house is, that belongs to my wife.
interesting? Would you say
So,
that's something that resonates?
It's a perception.
Okay.
अगर आप परसेप्शन चेंज करते हो,
हाँ.
अगर उसमें लोगों की मेंटालिटी चेंज होती है तो ये चीज़ें बदलेंगी और ये बदल रही हैं। अब कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, मैं कहना चाहता हूँ लोगों से कि अब ये ज़रूरत नहीं है कि लड़कियाँ जब किसी के पैर छुए तो उसको दूधो नहाओ पूतो फलो या सौभाग्यवती का आशीर्वाद दें। हस्बैंड के लिए अगर कोई हम कमिटमेंट करते हैं, इंडिया का ओल्ड मेंटालिटी रहा है, शुरू से रहा है, जेंडर बायस रहा है। इसको चेंज करके अगर हम उसकी बेटी को कहते हैं, ब्लेसिंग्स देते हैं, खुश रहो, तो वो ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव होगा। दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ह्यूमन रिसोर्स फॉर आवर कंट्री लाइक यू।
Absolutely. So, coming around to the country and Jharkhand as a state, what sectors do you think need to be engaged a bit more, ignited a bit more to really transform Jharkhand and let it take off?
The first issue from my side is security, education and health, and then livelihood.
In that order.
Yes,
Yeah.
security is first.
If you don't have security,
Security, a normal person can feel
yeah.
कि yes, I am secured,
Yeah.
I can move anywhere.
We take it for granted.
Yes, take it for granted. Security, a government is the first most duty is to provide and the security to all the people reside in the state and whatever we do. And then go for education and health,
Okay.
and then livelihood also.
Okay.
It will come. It's very important. It's my, I think it's very important.
And taking that whole of society design approach, if you don't have all of those things linking together, you can't just have security and forget about the other things. You can't just have education and forget about the fact that you don't have security or you don't have good health.
It's all integrated.
Yeah.
It's all integrated. That is again the silo thinking.
That's right.
So no, silo thinking no. So think in a manner कि ये सारी चीज़ें आए, जैसे गवर्नमेंट में आई एम एन IAS ऑफिसर, द स्टील फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ कंट्री, what is my duty to protect all the things. I am here as a tribal welfare commissioner, but if a road construction department, I can go to road construction department and I could perform there. Then I will change to any other department, and we will have to very cohesive approach में काम करना होगा सारे ऑफिसर्स को। कोहेसिव अप्रोच में काम करना होगा, लोगों तक तो डिलीवरी करनी है, एक ही साथ सिक्योरिटी, एक ही साथ एजुकेशन हेल्थ, और एक ही साथ उनको देना है हमको लाइवलीहुड भी, एक साथ ही करना है सब। और ये कैसे होंगे, ये लीडर, द स्टेट लीडर, द चीफ सेक्रेटरी एंड द चीफ मिनिस्टर, दे आर मोर इफेक्टिव कि इन सब चीज़ों को एक साथ कर सके, वो मॉनिटर करें।
So now that takes me to want to know, what is your vision for the Rural Locality Compact, Development Compact of 2047?
Well, I see कि एक टाइम ऐसा आना चाहिए कि ट्राइबल वेलफेयर कमिश्नर का रोल ही ख़त्म हो जाए। डेवलपमेंट चारों तरफ हो, सब लोग डेवलप्ड हो, उनके aspirations basic needs की ना हो.
Is
They
it happening?
No, it will come up. At 2047, I think कि उस समय तक आते आते
I hope more than basic needs are met.
yes, basic needs पर इनसे हम आगे बढ़ जाएं. Basic needs fulfill हो, इनसे ऊपर हो कि Wi-Fi is not working in the village and मतलब the level of aspiration should go differently.
Have they already gone a little differently?
Yes, it's moving upward.
Okay.
So I think कि झारखंड इंडिया का वन ऑफ द बेस्ट स्टेट के रूप में आगे ग्रो करेगा निश्चित. वी हैव मिनरल्स, वी हैव एवरीथिंग.
You have good bones, as they
Good
say.
bones.
Yeah.
So
So now we need to see a walking, talking, full-figured, healthy state
yes,
coming forward
yes,
in 2047.
coming forward.
Mr. Jha, Mr. Ajay, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. I know you've got many things to do. Thank you for watching. Please continue to watch and share these videos and watch more of 3D, the Development Design Digest.